Hi friends, welcome back.
Hello everybody.
Today we're going to do an experiment with
Strawberries.
Cassidy, do you wash your strawberries before you eat them?
Yes.
Why?
So we can get all the germs off, because if you don't wash them and they have germs, you might get sick.
That's right. Now we already washed this, correct?
Yes.
Do you think that there's any more germs hiding on our strawberry?
There might be.
Let's find out. What do we need to find that out?
Water.
Water.
A bowl. Another bowl to wash them off.
Mm-hmm.
A napkin.
A napkin.
To dry them. Salt. And a spoon.
A spoon. All right. Let's pour some here. Would you like to pour the water in the bowl?
And don't pour too much, because then you don't have any for this one.
That's correct. You want to pour enough water in there so that the strawberry will be covered in water. Okay. Pour water in the other bowl just to rinse off the strawberry when we're done. Perfect. Now what else do we need?
Now we put the salt.
All right.
Only in one bowl. Only in this bowl.
Only in one bowl. We're going to cover the
you have
bottom
to
of the salt.
the whole bottom. There. The whole bottom's covered.
Now why do we need a spoon?
So we can mix it.
Mix up what?
The salt in the water.
We're going to mix the salt. It's going to dissolve.
And then when you put the strawberry in after.
Well, let's see what happens. Is it all mixed up?
A little bit more. And if you think you didn't, if you didn't think that you didn't put enough on the bottom, that you missed some spots, you can put a little bit more in.
You could add more salt if needed.
Now, we like to take off the stems.
The stem. We're going to take the stem off our strawberries.
Because you can't eat strawberries with a stem on them.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Let's see what happens when we put our strawberries in the salted water. Now, when you put them in, you start to see these little tiny brown spots come in. And if you look really close, here, put it, they're not going to be able to see in there. Spoon. No, I think the reflection from the spoon being silver.
Probably.
But I don't know if you're going to be able to see either because of the salted water. It doesn't make it clear. But if you look, you might see some little brown spots floating around in the water. Those are bugs and dirt. Which means just by washing off our strawberries, we did not get them clean.
And now, when you're ready, you take them out.
You take them out.
And then you put them. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
You put them in this bowl to wash them off.
We're going to rinse them off in another bowl.
I think we might need a little more water for this bowl.
Sorry. Mix them around.
And then that's when you have to use the napkin.
Oh, Cassie likes to dry them off on a napkin.
Before I eat them, sometimes. Not
and
always.
now we have clean strawberries.
Now we can eat them.
Let's see how they taste. They are good. And now we know that we got all the dirt officially off our strawberries. I think this is a fun experiment for everyone to try at home with a whole bunch of strawberries and see what you can find.
And if you try it at home, you might be surprised.
You might be surprised.
You might see new bugs.
You might find new bugs. Enjoy your delicious strawberries, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.